How to log in or sign into your Cash App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can sign into your Cash App account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to sign into your Cash App account, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, in order to sign in, you must first have created an account. Now you can sign in using your phone number, or if it's not your phone number, you can sign in using your email by tapping the use email button. All you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address that was associated with your Cash App account. So as you can see, I'm also going to go ahead and then enter the email address associated with my Cash App account. Tap on the next option here. Then after you've done that, the next step will require you to enter the confirmation code that was sent to your Cash App email address. So for this, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the email address app that you see over here, and then you want to log into that specific email. As you can see, once you log into that specific email, refresh it a couple of times until you get to see the email from Cash App. If you don't find it, you can also try to look for it within the spam folder. Once you find the verification code from Cash App, you can try going to all inboxes section, refresh it a couple of times, and as you can see, I've received the code. All I need to do is just copy this code here, and I'm going to copy it, come back, and then just go ahead and paste the code, tap on next option, and I'll be successfully signed into Cash App. So this is how you can sign into your Cash App account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.